Harley Davidson has never been synonymous with performance outside of drag racing and flat track, but when the introduction of the King of the Baggers series came around, that changed everything, especially when it came to touring bikes. What we have now is something super unique. This is a 2024 Road Glide ST CVO. So beyond just being one of the biggest, baddest, and best baggers that you could possibly get in the industry, it also boasts some of the most wild numbers. This 121 cubic inch engine makes 127 horsepower and 145 foot-pounds of torque. They use computational fluid dynamics to aerodynamically shape the fairing and the underside of this motorcycle to give it a little bit more slip inside the wind. It's got carbon fiber all over the place, including the front fender, which is a forged carbon fiber piece bolted up to its inverted front fork, which includes things like cornering ABS and cornering traction control. They put factory bar risers on it so that way you get a little bit taller handholds. It's got a Showa fully adjustable rear suspension. It weighs 25 pounds less. This thing is an absolute animal. And it's one of the rarest big bikes that you could possibly get because not only is it going to perform in a straight line, but it's also going to rip itself up out on the track, and it's going to be one of the wildest experiences you've ever been around. This is an absolute animal, and it just sings its roar through its titanium exhaust with, well, violence and passion.